Most cleaning businesses don't fail because of bad marketing or slow seasons. They fail because of what happens after the job. If your clients aren't coming back or leaving happy, this video is a wake-up call. Let's dig in.
Welcome to the final lesson of this module. Now that we've covered the essentials of establishing and growing your business, it's time to dive into two key components that will keep your business thriving long-term: quality control and client retention. The importance of quality control. Quality control is all about setting and maintaining the highest standards for every job. This means making sure your clients receive the same level of excellence every time, no matter how big or small the job. Here's the thing: happy clients become loyal clients. And loyal clients not only stick around, they'll also spread the word about your services. So let's look at how you can develop a rock-solid quality control process. Steps to implement quality control. Develop checklists for consistency. Imagine you're leaving a job site. Did your team remember to double-check all tasks? Have they left any areas untouched? Creating detailed checklists for each job type can make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Tailor these checklists for specific tasks to help your team cover everything, from the basics to those little finishing touches that make a job truly outstanding. Train your team thoroughly. A checklist is only as good as the person following it. Make sure your team understands each item and why it's important. Invest in regular training sessions to keep everyone on the same page. Quality control isn't just about checking things off a list. It's about cultivating a mindset of excellence among your team. Regular inspections and spot checks. Conduct spot checks on random jobs or at different stages of work. These checks should cover both the details on the checklist and the overall quality of the work. Not only does this help catch any potential issues, but it also demonstrates to your team that you're serious about quality. For larger teams, consider assigning a supervisor to handle regular quality inspections. Encourage team self-checks. Train your team to inspect their own work before considering the job done. This extra step reinforces accountability and can save you from having to go back to a job site to correct mistakes. It's about empowering your team to feel ownership over their work, creating a quality-first culture. Client feedback, your quality compass. The best way to understand if you're meeting your client's expectations is simple. Ask them. After each job, follow up with a quick call or a feedback form. Not only does this give you a sense of your performance, but it also opens the door to making improvements. Plus, it shows clients you care about their experience. Make feedback easy and accessible. Consider sending a short, friendly survey after each job, or an email asking them to rate the service. Make sure it's easy for them to fill out. Clients are more likely to give feedback if it's quick and convenient. Act on client suggestions. If a client has specific feedback or even criticism, view it as valuable information. Implementing their suggestions or addressing their concerns promptly will go a long way in building trust and loyalty. Client retention, building lasting relationships. Getting new clients is exciting, but keeping them around is the true mark of a successful business. Not only is it more cost-effective than constantly seeking new clients, but a loyal client base also creates stability. Let's explore some practical ways to boost client retention. Deliver consistent quality. The #1 rule for client retention? Consistent quality. If your clients know they can count on a job well done every time, they'll be much more likely to stick around. Remember, excellence isn't achieved in a single service, but in the ongoing, dependable delivery of high standards. Communicate clearly and proactively. Keep clients updated on job timelines, any potential delays or changes in the plan. Proactive communication helps clients feel valued and informed, reducing the chances of dissatisfaction. Clients want to know you're dependable, so be open and responsive. Resolve issues swiftly and sincerely. Mistakes happen. What matters is how you handle them. If there's ever an issue or complaint, address it quickly. Apologize if needed, offer a solution, and follow up to ensure they're satisfied. A fast, professional response can turn a frustrated client into a loyal advocate. Client retention strategies. going the extra mile. Retaining clients is often about making them feel appreciated and giving them reasons to keep coming back. Here are a few ideas. Introduce loyalty programs. Offer discounts, referral bonuses, or special promotions for long-term clients. For example, give a small discount after a certain number of services or offer a complimentary service as a thank you. Clients love knowing their loyalty is appreciated, and these gestures can make a big impact. Personalized touches. Remember clients' preferences or send them a holiday card. Small personal touches create a positive experience and show that you care about them beyond just the business transaction. Check in between services. Don't let too much time pass without reaching out. Even a quick check-in email shows you're thinking about them and keeps your business top of mind. This can be as simple as sending seasonal maintenance tips or a friendly message to let them know about any new services or promotions. Conclusion. Quality and retention are your business backbone. When it comes to long-term success, quality control and client retention go hand in hand. By implementing these practices, you're not only setting your business up to maintain high standards, but also cultivating a loyal client base that grows alongside you. Remember, every client who feels valued and satisfied is one more ambassador for your brand. Consistency, clear communication, and a little bit of extra effort can turn first-time clients into lifelong partners. So as you wrap up this module, remember, building a thriving business isn't just about what you do today, but about the foundations you lay for tomorrow. Happy clients are the key to a successful business, and by focusing on quality control and retention, you're building a solid path to long-term success.